Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode, firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device here. Go ahead and tap on the Sounds and Haptics option, and then tap on Haptics. You will see the option for Play in silent mode, so go ahead and select the option for Play in silent mode. Now, go back and tap on Notifications and scroll down and find the phone option here. Tap on Sounds and then tap on Haptics and make sure the haptics is set to any option under Standard. Or you can also create your own haptics. Just make sure that the None option is not selected. Now, go back and the same applies for Messages to tap on the Messages option and then on Sounds and then on Haptics, and make sure the haptics is set to any option under Standard. Or you can also create a new haptics. Just make sure that the None option is not selected. So that's basically how you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.